Thank you for joining me and checking out this video. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you one of the most affordable neighborhoods in Shelby County, Alabama, which is just south of Birmingham, 20 or 30 minutes. Stay tuned because at the end, I'm going to tour those 200s, 300s, and 400s houses so you can see what you can get at each price point and all the amenities you can get in the affordable neighborhood of Old Cahaba in Helena, Alabama. So stay tuned with me and check it out. Let's go. I am here to let you know about the most affordable neighborhood south of Birmingham, or one of them anyway. So let me give you a little bit of what's happening in Old Cahaba in Helena, Alabama. Here's a couple of amenities that you'll really appreciate. Number one is it's got a walking trail that runs behind the neighborhood. And on that walking trail, kids can walk to and have access to the elementary school, the middle school, and the high school, which is awesome for traveling parents who have got to go to work early and whatnot. They've got a nice paved walking trail for kids to get back and forth to the schools. Number two, it is right by the high school, as in you don't have to get on a trail. You can walk straight to the high school. You'll see that in one of these flyovers. You'll see a shot of the high school. That's taken from the Old Cahaba neighborhood. So it's known to be right by the high school. You know, for Friday night lights, you're literally just sitting there listening to the football games and all that, which is a really cool vibe, especially if you've got kids in school here, which is awesome. And so a little bit about this neighborhood is pretty cool. There's three phases in this neighborhood. This neighborhood was started in the late 90s in Helena. There's what I call the first phase, which is the first sector. It's got two entrances coming from the front of the neighborhood. And with those two entrances, they enter into what you will see is that what I would consider the first segment. You got the second phase, which they started building in like 06, 07. And then they went on back and really opened up some nice lots in the 2017 range called River Bend. They call it River Bend because Helena has the Cahaba River, which cuts through the city. It's a very popular river around town. It's very nature-esque. It's got some rapids. It's just got a lot of history, and it's kind of a running joke in the city of Helena is when you ask, hey, where do you live? Most of the people are going to say, I live in Old Cahaba. So it's that type of neighborhood. It's a great neighborhood, but they've built some infrastructure with what's called the Hillsborough Parkway that kind of allows you to bypass Helena and get through to and from the schools pretty easy. And they've also four-laned what's called Morgan Road coming into Helena from the Hoover-Bessemer area, and that's gotten traffic to move in and out too. So they put in some relief valves that are making Helena a more and more attractive place to live, something else. So I hope you've enjoyed Old Cahaba. If you like this and this is helpful, please subscribe, share it with your friends, comment below if you're looking to make a move to Helena. I've actually got a list of more and more things that are really popular about the area that I'll be glad to share with you. It's free. I'm not going to spam you or multi-track you down and start sending you all sorts of crazy stuff. I'm just a local Birmingham agent that really wants to provide as much value as I can. So comment below if you want more information. Call me 205-426-1113. Subscribe, give me that thumbs up. Let's connect in one way or the other, and check out the neighborhood of Old Cahaba in Helena, Alabama. Enjoy. All right, so I promised you to show you some houses that are in the 400 range in the OC, Old Cahaba, and so I have picked one out just to run through and give you a quick look at what you can get in here. So listen, this beauty's got a finished basement. It's got a huge bonus room upstairs. It's got 4 bedrooms. It's got 3 baths. So let's take you for a walk through this bad boy, see what you can get for your money in the Old Cahaba in Helena, Alabama, just south of Birmingham. Let's check it out. That's what's up. Just a little over 400,000 in the Old Cahaba. Gets you all that house I just showed you. All right, on to the next one. All right, I promised you one in the 300s in Old Cahaba. We got a beautiful brick house, as you can see, priced at $330K. So let's go in here and check out what you can get for $330K in this beautiful Old Cahaba neighborhood. Let's check it out. All right, so now that you have seen what you can get for $330K in Old Cahaba, and there's a few more of those for sale just like this, let's take you to the next one and check it out. See ya. We are in the first section of Old Cahaba, which was built in the late 90s. Funny story is I actually ran an excavator and helped excavate some of these lots while I was in college a long time back. Well, and even in this one, what you've got with homes being a little bit older, as you can see, there's not a lot of updates, not a lot of finish changes. So I just wanted to share with you so you'll know, hey, you can get some fixer-uppers, and so you just kind of got to pick. And so the way this neighborhood's done, that there's more than 3 sections, but there's 3 main sections that they built. The first section was late 90s. Got that second section, and that second section was built in the 2008 to 2015-16 range, and they opened up the last section, which was back near the river. And then you got some $400,000 and $500,000 houses, and they had some nice big 10-acre lots and some things where they put some really big, nice houses there. So I hope this helps. Peace. This neighborhood also has a couple of clubhouses, pools, tennis courts, 2 lakes, stock fishing lakes. I mentioned the walking trail. I took a little walk down the walking trail for you. I took a little flight over the lake. I took a little flight over the high school. I rode you up to the tennis courts. So you can see that this thing is well equipped for your family. I urge you to check out Old Cahaba in Helena, one of the most affordable neighborhoods south of Birmingham in Shelby County, Alabama.